Good evening and namaste. Um, Very nice to be here at Ajay Bhutoria's home. So, thank God it's cooled down a little bit. It was so hot earlier today. I was out there in the sun. Dr. Dubey, it's an honor and pleasure to welcome you to the city of Fremont. We are the happiest city in the country and hopefully in the world soon. So you're enjoying the great things about Fremont.
Depends on that partnership, and I think this is a unique sort of a new evolution.
So BJP MP మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు నిష్కాంత్ దుబై. First of all, welcome to Bay Area and how are you, sir?
Fine.
So what is your opinion on Operation Sindoor?
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर मोदी जी ने ये अपनी अंतिम लड़ाई जो है, आप ये समझिए, हमारे आतंकवाद के खिलाफ ये हमारी अंतिम लड़ाई है. इसके बाद कोई भी आतंकवादी भारत में सर उठाकर घुस नहीं पाएगा. वो सर जुदा करके ही जो है, जिसको सर तन से जुदा कहते हैं, वही होकर आएगा. हमारा नेतृत्व माननीय मोदी जी कर रहे हैं और मोदी जी जो लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं वो कोई दूसरा प्रधानमंत्री नहीं लड़ सकता था. और जो भी आतंकवाद का प्रश्रय देता होगा, जो भी आतंकवाद के समर्थक देश होंगे, देश के अंदर होंगे, देश के बाहर होंगे, वो सभी ख़त्म होंगे और ऑपरेशन सिंदूर जो है हम कामयाब होंगे और पाकिस्तान को 4 टुकड़ों में विभक्त करेंगे.
Okay. What do you think of Modi's actions in the war?
मोदी जी हमेशा जो कहते हैं वो खुलकर कहते हैं. उन्होंने कहा था 2013-14 में कि 26/11 की घटनाएं यदि उनके समय होती रहती तो पाकिस्तान को पाकिस्तान के अंदर घुसकर मारते. तो आज हम पाकिस्तान को पाकिस्तान के अंदर घुसकर मार रहे हैं और ये मजबूत नेतृत्व है. मोदी जी जो कहते हैं वही करते हैं और मोदी है तो मुमकिन.
Currently, the world is going through difficult times, especially India is going through very difficult time, and there are challenges in the border. India is fighting its war against terrorism, and there's a lot of terrorist camps in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, which India decisively targeted. India did not target any civilians or military, but Pakistan responded very badly, attacking the civilian area in Jaisalmer or in Kashmir or in Punjab, and targeting civilians as well. So this is something the world, US and Israel and rest of the country needs to stand with India at this point of time in its war against terrorism. Terrorism, whether it's in border of India or whether it's 9/11 happening in US or terrorism happening in Israel, Hamas killing Israelis, it's all the same form where barbaric acts happen and innocent people gets killed. So we all stand in support of India in this fight against terrorism, and there's a whole community together to express the support with Nishikant Dubey ji.
So, hi Vinita ji. So can you share a few thoughts of current situation in India? The war is going on, right?
Yes, the war is going on. Definitely, this is not any of us wanted it, but unfortunately, it is going on. There's a reason behind it. India has a policy if you can see in the whole history, they have never gone and attacked anyone or did anything without any reason. But then, if there is an attack in India, you have to revenge, right? You have to take it back. Otherwise, what you're telling the world that you're taking the terrorism? No, you have to stand for it. So what India is doing is right. Any country would have done it. If some people are saying what India is doing is they should have stepped back. No, if terrorists are attacking you, you have to go back and fight for your country, and that is what all the Indians across in India and in the world are supporting it. Yes.